Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Guys, if you want to buy something in the app store of your Android phone but you are facing this problem, then keep watching this video because in this short video I will tell you how you can solve this problem on your Android phone. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, you can solve this problem very easily in your phone. For that, you just need to go to Play Store application. After opening the Play Store, now click on your profile picture on the top right side. After that, there is an option payment and subscription. Click on it. Then click on payment methods. Here you click on your card detail or more payment settings. Now a new window will open on your phone where you have to log in your Play Store ID. Then scroll down and here you have to delete your payment method. Tap remove to confirm that you want to remove your payment method. Now you go to Play Store again and click on payment methods. After that, add your payment method again. So guys, removing and re-adding the payment method will resolve your transaction cannot be completed issue. That's it for today's video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.